This is a new tool I created called Warrior Cat's Planner, and you can use it to organize your Warrior Cat's fanfiction or roleplay. It's a very useful tool. I've always wanted something like this back when I cared about Warrior Cats, and that is why I created this. So there is a tool that already exists, and there'll be a link to that in the description, but it didn't quite do everything that I wanted it to do. I found limitations when trying to use it. Like, I always wanted a button to just make all of the characters 1 moon older and a button to make them all 1 moon younger, stuff like that. So, let's go onto full screen and add a clan. So when you add a clan, there's a lot of things you can do. So you can put the clan name in. So I will create my clan. I will call it Tree Clan. So if you've drawn yourself a clan logo, like these ones, like the Shadow Clan logo, the River Clan logo, or whatever, then you can upload an image and it'll take you here. But I haven't, so I could upload this picture of a dragon. But I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use the Sky Clan logo because I don't want to make a logo right now. Then I can add a description. They live in trees. And then create. So now this clan appears here, and I can add a cat. So let's create a leader for the clan. You can upload an image again, same way as before, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use one of the already in here images. So I'll make it orange and call it Orange Star. And the rank will be leader. And the description will be orange cat. There we go. And then the age will be, let's do 34. And then we've got this thing here. This is a death age. You can leave it blank and it will just be ignored. But if you set it to be, let's just do 40 for this example, and then I keep pressing this button up here to make the character older, you will see when it gets to 40, it gets removed from the clan and put in the dead cat section. So, if you was doing a roleplay or a book where you haven't decided exactly when everyone's going to die, you just leave it blank, and then press, when you've decided that they die, you just press edit cat, and then select the death age, so you just write, oops, 37 because that's how old they are, press save, oops, press save, and they will be moved over to the dead cat section, and if you age them down, then they will be brought back. So you can actually go back in time, and if you want to make something set in the past, to see how old all of the characters were at that point. If the character gets under the age of 0, it will be put into the unborn cat section, where it is -7. You can always add another clan as well, because having multiple clans is good. Let's create Thunder Clan. So they are powerful clan. There we go. Power clan. Oh yeah, that'll do. And then we can add cats to this clan. So let's do Bramble Star, and then rank deputy, and then brown strong cat. There we go. Age. Let's just do 42. Leave that blank. And then when I age up, it obviously ages up all of the characters and ages down all of the characters. Very, very useful. Then over here, once you've created your clans, you might want to come back to it on a later date. So we have the save button. So you press the save button and this appears. So you can name the clan. So I'll name it, but sorry, not the clan. You can name the set of clans. I will name it Save 1 because I'm very creative, and press save. And I can press load, and I can load it or delete it, and I've already got this example one here, and I can also load a blank. So if I load the blank, you can see it's all empty. Come back here, load save 1, and here I have Orange Star and Bramble Star. An important thing to keep in mind is if you delete your browser cache, then it will forget all of your saves. So be careful when deleting your search history and everything. So, I will now load the example clans that I made earlier. If I was making a roleplay or a fanfiction, I might want to copy allegiances, okay? Then I go over to here and I paste it. But you'll notice that it's not quite the same as in the actual books because they've got the ages listed, they have like the clan descriptions, none of that happens in canon. So if we press copy book style, then it changes. So we can go like this, and now it's all formatted exactly the same as it is in the actual canon books. Very, very useful. And that, I think, is everything in this tool. It's very, very powerful for planning and organising your fanfiction or roleplay. Something that I definitely wanted back when I cared about warrior cats. So yeah, link in the description, go and use them.